Hello. So today I'm going to talk to you about ticks. Now, ticks can be a very complicated discussion. I'm going to try to keep this a little bit broad rather than talking about specific species of ticks and the different diseases that they can cause. But most people know what a tick looks like. They're a little bug that attaches their head to the body, they bite, they have little legs. They're blood feeders. Now, we do have two very distinct types of ticks. We have soft ticks and hard ticks. The soft ticks look like little brains and they're kind of gray and they swell up really easily. The hard ticks tend to stay the same size even when they are feeding on a blood meal and look kind of like little babies. The reason we care about ticks, one, they are blood feeders. Two, ticks don't care who they're biting, so they will happily leave an animal and come onto a human and bite us, and that's gross. And three, they can carry lots of tick-borne diseases. So they can carry some of the ones that people hear about all the time: Lyme disease, Ehrlichia, anaplasmosis, Rocky Mountain spotted fever. They can carry Babesia, they can carry Bartonella. There's a lot of different things that they can carry that we'd really like to prevent in our patients because those diseases can be fatal. They can also cause what's called tick paralysis, which is a neurologic condition where even the bite of one tick can cause some muscle disease that looks like an animal that is paralyzed. So it's important to stay on tick prevention for animals if they're in an environment that has ticks, but also it can help to control the environment. Ticks love to live in like leaf litter and these covered areas and in trees and all that. Now I love nature. I'm not saying cut down all the trees. I'm saying try to keep the ground clear. Here that's a suggestion anywhere where I live because that's where tarantulas and scorpions and snakes like to live, so it reduces the population of those as well. But controlling the population is important, and going on prevention if you're going to go out in the woods or you live in an area where you can't control that environment, so that we hopefully don't get a tick infestation on an animal. Now in my next talk, I'll talk about tick preventions because that gets a little bit challenging. I think there's a lot of misunderstandings about tick preventions out there.